Now let's write another very interesting program. Here we have a string. We ask the user to input a string, and then what we are doing is we are using the toggle case. What happens in a toggle case? If you enter a uppercase character, it will be converted into lowercase. A lowercase character is converted into uppercase. Those case switches, right? So here we make another string str2, which is initially empty, and in the for loop we will traverse through each and every character in string 1. If the character in string 1 is in lower, in string 2 we will append it after converting it to into uppercase. And if that character in string 1 was in lowercase, we will append it to string 2, but after converting it into uppercase. Had it been an uppercase character, you append it as a lowercase character. After you come out of the loop, you are just printing str2. See this output. Here, the code in here, we had capital P and rest YTHO on, they were lowercase. So when you print it, after toggling the case, you have P as small and rest of the characters in uppercase. So this is toggle case string.